Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Tech Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video how to analyze split plot agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe me, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend a chance to watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let's start with how to analyze split plot design agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. Okay viewers, now we are going to start how to analyze split plot design agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. First we have to see what is our experimental design. It is our experimental design effect of swaying times and detopping on the yield and fiber quality of cotton genotypes. There is three factor agricultural experiments. Factor A, swaying dates. It's called main plot. It is three swaying dates: S1 5 July, S2 15 July, and S2 25 July. And factor B, detopping times. This is called subplot. 3 detopping times: D1 80 days after swaying, and D2 85 days after swaying, and D3 90 days after swaying. And factor C, the genotypes. It's called subplot. 3 genotypes. It is BC 479, BC 459, and BC 514. Design split plot, replication 3, total plot 8 to 1. And it is our field layout. The first replication. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plot. All are. It is our main plot. Swaying time 1, main plot, and every main plot divided 3 subplot, and every subplot divided 3 subplot. So S1 divided first D1, D3, and D2, 3 subplot, and every subplot D1 divided 3 subplot, that is B1, B2, B3, D3 divided B1, B2, B3, and D2 divided B1, B2, B3. It is our swaying time 1, it is our swaying time 2, and it is our swaying time 3. Now we can see what is our data arrangement sheet in Excel. Now first we have to see it is our replication, and first factor A, swaying dates, factor B, that is detopping times, factor C, genotypes, and it is our dependent and independent variable. It is germination, days to square, days to flowering, etc., etc. Now we have to see first column D is genotypes. Genotypes 1, 2, and 3. It is 497, 495, and 514. It is 1, 2, 3, genotype 1, 2, 3, storage in detopping 1, 85 days, and so genotype 1, 2, 3, storage in detopping 2, that is 90 days after swaying. Again genotype 1, 2, 3, storage in detopping 3, 95 days. All are storage in swaying time 1, 5 July. Again same genotypes and detopping times, storage in swaying time 2, that is 15 July, and same genotypes and detopping times, storage in swaying time 3, that is 25 July, and all are storage in, it is replication 1 are storage in replication 1. Same procedure, replication 2 and replication theory, and it is our it is our respectable dependent and independent variable. So it is, and this sheet save as CSV command delimited, and it is file name is parameter. It is our file name parameter. So I can already set this CSV file. So it is our parameter file name parameter. Now we can go start analysis by RStudio. First we have open RStudio software. It is our RStudio software, and now we can first open new script. First new script. First we have to need, and I can paste again this. First we have to package install. We have to need two package install, that is datasheet and library execute. This two package already installed my computer, so I cannot again install. I only library call. So first we can write library and first run. Again we can library execute and run. It is our data path. It is C user, our name experimental, and it is our parameter name. The file name is parameter.csv and storage in data. We can run this. Okay, it is our data sheet. We can open. It is application showing detopping, genotypes, and data examination, distress learning, etc. That is dependent independent variable. Now, and we can see head of the data. It is our, you can see head of the data, that is application showing detopping, genotype, examination, etc. Now we can see structure of the data. It is our structure of the data. First, data frame, 81 observation and 44 variables. It is 44 variables. It is 1, 2, 3, 44 variables, and we can write data $sign showing and storage data $sign showing. First write factor data $sign label is equal to C, and we can write ascending order, that is 5 July showing time, 5 July, 15 July and 25 July. Again data $sign detopping, that is factor data $sign detopping labels 85 days, 90 days and 95 days after showing. Again data $sign genotypes, that is factor is bracket data $sign genotypes label, and is equal to, that is genotypes name for BC 479, BC 95 and BC 514. We can write this and we can again run one by one. First we can run, second we can run, third we can run, and now we can analyze only first variable parameter, that is germination. Our data, we can see our data, that is germination, distance square, rate of run, etc. No, only one parameter. So we can run. It is our we can analyze germination. So name, first we can write model, storage in model, and with data, that is split plot, ssp dot plot split plot. First bracket, that is the application, first factor showing, second factor detopping, and factor C genotypes, and parameter dependent parameter, that is germination. We can run this. We can run. It is our ANOVA analysis of variance table for, it is for germination, on the germination. So showing significant, detopping non-significance, swing and detopping non-significant, genotype non-significant, genotype and swing significant, etc. etc. Now we can see LSD test for storage GLA is model $GL dot A, GLB model $GL dot B, GLC model $GLC, EA model $EA, EB model $EB, EC model $EC. Now we can run one by one. Okay. Now write out1. It is storage in out1 with data LSD test. First parameter, that is germination, and first factor swing time, that is swing, GLA, EA, console is equal to 2, bracket close. Now out2 with data LSD test, germination, that is factor B, detopping, GLP, EB, console is equal to 2, write out3, same procedure, germination, and factor C, that is genotype, LC, EC, console is equal to 2. Again, out4 is equal to with data LSD test, germination, swing into detopping, interaction, GLC, EC, console is equal to 2. Again, out5 with data LSD test, germination, detopping into genotypes, interaction, detopping and genotype interaction, ELP, EEB, console is equal to true. And out6 with data LSD test, germination, interaction, swing into genotypes, GLC, EC, console is equal to true. Now we can see out7 with data LSD test, germination, swing into detopping into genotype. It is interaction of swing, detopping and genotype, ELC, EC, console is equal to true. Now we can start run out1. It is min.com out1, germination, that is first swing, second detopping, it is detopping treatment and germination mean value and their homogeneous group. Third, genotypes, treatment, germination mean value and the homogeneous group. Fourth, swing time and detopping interaction, germination mean value and the homogeneous group. 5, detopping and genotype interaction, their germination mean value and their homogeneous group. 6, that is swing time and genotype interaction, their germination mean value and homogeneous group. And last 7, out7 is equal to out7. We can run this and we can see interaction of swing time, interaction of detopping and genotype and their mean value and the homogeneous group. Okay, and now we can interaction mean value, we can store it in x is equal to x, that is ANOVA, first variable or variable germination and swing into detopping into genotype. The interaction data is equal to data and model dot table x mean. We can run this. Okay, run. Okay, it is our swing and detopping. Now we can copy and paste here and now we can run inputs. Okay, means is equal to as matrix read dot table text connection input eta is equal to 2, no rems is equal to 2, so we can run and names. Okay, now we can save our file. Now we can save file, that is sync is equal to germination, our first variable germination, the split plot dot text, print model, print out 1, out 2, out 3, pin out 4, pin out 6, pin out 4, and pin out 7. Last finally C dot. Now we can run. First we can run this, we can run, and last finally sync. Okay, our analysis is complete. Now we can open this file. First we can open, it is our document file. Okay, it is split germination, split data. Now we can open this. It is our analysis of variance table, that is response variable showing time is equal to 1% level of significance, detopping, our detopping non-significance, showing into detopping, it is our non-significance, and genotypes non-significance, interaction genotype and showing it is 5% level of significance, detopping genotype into detopping, interaction of genotype detopping 5% level of significance, interaction of genotype showing and detopping, it is our non-significance statement. So, and now we can see there it is CB value for main factor, main plot, CB value for main plot, and T value and LHD value. Now you can see it is showing time group and the germination mean value and the homogeneous. Okay, and it is our detopping second factor, CB value, T value and LHD value, and there it is our detopping treatment, and their germination mean value and their homogeneous value. Now it is our CB value for genotypes, T value and the LHD value, and their treatment, germination percentage, and their homogeneous value. It is our mean value for CB value for showing time and detopping, T value and their LHD value, and their treatment and their mean value and their homogeneous value. It is our detopping into germination, C value, T value and their LHD value, and their treatment, germination percentage, and their homogeneous value. It is our showing time and genotypes, CB value, T value and their LHD value, and their homogeneous germination percentage and the homogeneous value. At last, it is our CB value, T value and LHD value for interaction of showing detopping and their genotype, and genotype is treatment and their germination percentage and their homogeneous value. So thank you. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.